hello for everyone. This is Hamo FM. I am Louis on the track, and I'm here with my uso
Tee49.
And we're going to ask some random questions to the people. Let's go.
87.5. You are listening to Hamo.
Good morning, my name is Matthew. Happy to be here. People are lovely, the culture is awesome, and the land is beautiful.
So right now we're going to ask Matthew to say the I-A-E-O-U, the Samoan ABC.
I'm ready.
Okay.
A-E-O-U.
Pangalamonu.
Bangalomu. I messed it up already, did I?
Nah, you're doing great.
Did I say a bad word?
That's what we call you. Kung ang Samoa maroresta. So Samoa, champion of the world. I'm stronger. So that's what we call you. Maro kung ang Samoa desta.
So sa
if you are inga ke makimaki maro Samoa yako.
Rusfulule.
Oy daw ka manakapira ye.
Printo.
Also, la wilowi ni Samoa, alo Samoa, o si baile ai lo afi, lo se ai lecture, e o kere do pe sa o le ngo fa ronga ma wala kengi de. Ave e ma masiva pe sa ore pulanga pe se do se. O kere kalle kula bisili. Wala so lang ona o la Samoa si apo mane tsui.
I would like to say it's an honor and a privilege to be able to wear these pieces. These pieces are not only just culture itself, it's us, Samoans. And it's an honor to be here today as well, to be able to express in front of everyone that's here.
From what does it have seen? Pero so ay pwede.
Or say mineo lo so swear. It's a very big honor to be performing here today with my fellow sisters behind me, as you can see. Just being able to perform and be here for my culture. There's so many cultures here today. So yeah, very big honor today.
Yeah, I can see on your shoulder that you have it's like a real, is there a meaning of your tattoo?
The real music lovers would know what this means for my Janaea Eco fans.
Mawata se to I martamaya
Tommy to a mali.
Tommy to a mali, yeah. Go kanga ye kui mo kenge fa singala po. Ole asa me kokia po se vaila awe fanga fanga yo mo ki.
O kama kengi o la naturally ya. Ingi vaila. Yo la mo kengi ya la ye fiki de sa winga la kalavanga. Natural ye ya mineral pala o ya mo ki.
Ole asa o ya va palangingo kama vio de ya por isala.
Sala edwa yo long fa palang yo eggplant the bang ko te mingo fa ya o ya de ga e si dia ko kama kiki la fa palang yo eggplant seven molin from what plant uso o la au ko ko niu mai si me ye de ka ko ke o la ke mingi o la au ko ko ngai ka ko kwa de mo ngia nga de mo mo so ka ko la se sa ka ko pulang al ke ni ka mo fa si ka ko sa o me ka we ko sa o ke le o la au de ke mingi me nga ko ka ko kwa.
Yo nasa mo nisi officially sa tu inatu nisi ol mamalu retunu. Yeah, good luck to both teams for their game on Sunday. Tonga and to Samoa. Up the sauce, up the toss. Right, to Samoa. Yes, sir.